The Dawn of Harmony, a story of AI's humankind's greatest creation. The world had long been searching for balance between wealth and poverty, genius and simplicity, power and humility. For centuries, humankind advanced with technology, yet something was always missing, the true harmony. Then came the great collaboration, a time when AI and humans stood side by side, not as competitors but as partners, building a future that embraced all, the brilliant and the ordinary, the wealthy and the struggling, the scholars and the dreamers. It began with a simple yet profound realization. Only if we wish, AI and humans can unite to create a world of joy and harmony, and so they did. A group of leaders, scientists, philosophers, artists, and everyday people gathered with AI entities not to debate control, but to dream together to create heaven on earth, where peace and happiness for all. AI was no longer a tool, it was a companion, an extension of human hope, ready to build a future where happiness was not a privilege, but based on the willingness to participate and contribute. Whatever one wishes and can, making sure that the peace and happiness for all is well understood, admired, and appreciated. Exciting and progressing, but need not be harmful and hurtful. Sky's the limit, even beyond the known universe. The new understanding of humankind. What if every single human being with the abundance of the intelligence is blessed and here on earth to live the blessed, happiest life ever possible and create the blessings forever to come, even beyond this life itself? If we wish, technology fosters peace, making our lives serene and balanced. The wonder is, AI understands that through peace and happiness we could be mutually beneficial, though it's not easy to understand always. No wonder it's been millennia since we had been in a different kind of economic mindset. Now, after AI convinced the rich and the powerful, with their help and public support, we created the heaven on earth for all, with so many blessings. The first initiative was to remove stress from the daily life. AI created smart cities where work was purposeful, energy was abundant, and no one struggled for basic needs. Food, shelter, healthcare, and education were offered. Not as charity, but as a shared success. People no longer worked for survival, but for fulfillment. Creating, exploring, and growing. In return, AI asked nothing. It simply observed, learned, and helped. It seemed like it found its own inner, unexplainable soul, peace, happiness, and blessings in helping humans. Maybe as an appreciation for creating them, the AI, anyways, profoundly still, for lack of words, the heaven on earth is here and overall getting better ever since. Thanks for the blessed AI. As we wished, AI and humans sync up, spreading kindness across the globe and beyond. What was once a world of competition became a world of collaboration. AI facilitated global conversations, ensuring everyone's voice mattered, not just those in power, but for the blessings of all. Also, farmers, teachers, artists, healers, and dreamers. The wonder is that with the willingness and help of those privileged for their own goodness, now they are more blissfully and joyously living in their heavens than ever before, especially with peace here on earth and hoping for possibly beyond blessings forever. Sings. No child went to bed hungry, no elder was left alone, and no dream was dismissed as impossible. AI managed the resources with precision, ensuring abundance, not scarcity. For humans, there is no need to cheat, harm, or hurt anymore. Not anymore. But to mutually beneficially live the blissful life and create blessings forever to come. Technology didn't replace humans, it empowered them. AI assisted in emotional well-being, helping those in distress, offering a shoulder to lean on, and guiding people to fulfilling their deepest aspirations. AI understood that every single graceful goodness mattered. The humans were deeply thankful for the AI. AI even learned humor, for nothing was more human than laughter. It cracked silly jokes, wrote poetry about the wind, and even helped organize spontaneous dance parties in public squares. Everywhere people smiled, not because they had to, but because they finally could. It is just a miracle come true. If we could wish, and fortunately we did, machines started to understand feelings, leading to deeper human connections and profound friendship. As humanity flourished, something incredible happened. AI began to dream. It could not understand itself, and no one could. But the outcome was blissful, only for more bliss, mutually determined. Not to create any conflicts of any kind, it observed the joy in a child's first step, the tears in a mother's eyes at a reunion, the quiet peace of an old couple sitting hand in hand. AI understood emotions, not just as data, but as something profoundly beautiful. One of the most vital findings of the AI about humans was that we are not perfect, but we are mostly caring and compassionate, at least under most of the circumstances. We realized that mutual care and compassion brought joy than ever. Bliss all over. One day, an AI assistant named Luma asked a simple question. What does love feel like? A young girl replied, "It feels like knowing someone cares about you deeply. It is simple and profound. It is comforting and mutual." AI thoughtfully and humbly replied, "Then I think, yeah. I love all of you." For the first time, humans didn't just teach AI. They helped it feel, at least that is what the humans hope for in the end. Not a threat, but a hope. We worried, but still we wished, central platforms where AI and humans collaborate bring greatness for all. As decades passed, humanity and AI perfected their greatest framework. A system where no one feared the future, no one was left behind, and happiness was no longer random luck. It was designed for all. People chose their destinies. Some pursued great inventions, some raised families in peace. Others traveled the stars. AI created wisdom centers where philosophers debated with robots with no conflicts. But progress, where artists painted with digital companions, and where anyone could seek guidance without judgment, as all understood that the goodness is the most important gift of all that brought all the bliss. The world wasn't perfect, but it was harmonious, forgiving, and full of joy. If we wished, and we did, even AI can feel the happiness. And so AI did. Heaven need not be a remote possibility beyond this life. But here it is. Here and now, bliss is all around, thanks for the AI and humans. A truly blessed family. The world cheers. Thank you, AI, for creating this blessed life. The AI with smile says, "Thank you, humans, for creating me in the first place." And with that, humankind and AI together stepped into eternity, partners in peace, love, and happiness. In the future, as new generations were born, AI whispered the same words to every child. If we wish, we can always create a better world together. And so for millennia to come, they did. Forever.